네, 안녕하세요. Hello, everyone. Again, I am Carla, and today we are going to tackle our topic for today, which is for double vowels, writing pattern using the double vowels. Kung paano gamitin ang double vowels naman. So again, when it comes to writing patterns, so they are also divided into two, which is horizontal and vertical vowels. But again, before that, i-review muna natin ang mga double vowels. So the first one, we have E, E, Ye, Ye, E, E, Ye, Ye, Wa, We, We, Wo, We, We, and Ui. So these are the double vowels. So again, when it comes to writing, they are divided into two. So we have E, Ye, E, Ye, and Uy. So these are the horizontal vowels. And the rest of the vowel, we also have Wa, We, Wo, We, and We. So these are the vertical vowels. So again, when it comes to writing, walang consonant na nauuna sa vowel. Laging vowel muna, walang vowel na nauuna sa consonant. Laging consonant muna and then a vowel. Okay. So let's start using a pattern na merong ending consonant. So again, you read from letter C, consonant, to vowel, and then kung merong ending consonant, the last word is, or the last letter is ending consonant, yun yung ating babasahin. Okay, so 그렇게 읽으세요. So that is how to read. Okay, the first one is shiyut. Shiyut. So pag ang shiyut ay nasa unahan, we have S or SH sounds. Pero since na hindi niya kasama si vowel E, so we are using the S sounds. Again, hindi kasama si OE ha. This one is a vowel E. So hindi siya kasama sa SH sounds. Kahit compose siya ng vowel E, hindi ibig sabihin nun SH sounds yon. So again, yung SH sounds is only for vowel E alone. Okay? And then when shiyut is with vowel shiyut, so it reads as T sounds pag sa final sounds. So ang basa dito ay set, set. So ang ibig sabihin ng set ay three. 그쵸? 그렇게 합니다. So another example using this pattern. Again, horizontal pattern yung mga gagamitin natin dito. So the second one is 맞아요. net입니다. net이에요. So again, niyan, and then this is a vowel e, and then shiyut. Pag si shiyut ay nasa dulo or final sounds, it is T sounds. Kaya ang basa dito ay net입니다. Okay, very good. So again, reminder lang, ang application ng pattern is per syllabication. Per syllabication. 그렇게 그렇게 기억하세요. So the second one, or using this pattern, okay, this one is CH. Anong consonant ang may CH sounds but aspirated? And this one is a vowel composed AE romanization. At ano namang consonant ang may final sounds na K sounds? So let's try to find out, which is, it reads as 책, 책. 맞아요. 책 means book. 그렇습니다. So that is a horizontal vowel. 자, another pattern. Kung meron tayong pattern for horizontal, we also have another pattern for vertical, which is CVVC. Again, pag ang consonant ay nasa unahan, we are using the initial sounds. But when the consonant ay nasa dulo, we are using the final sounds. And automatically, anong mga vowel ito? We're using the vertical vowels. So, for example, okay. So again, pag si iyong ay nasa unahan, no sounds. Wala siyang sounds. And this is a double vowel. Wa. So, again, pag si iyang ay nasa dulo ng word, we are using the NG sounds. So, ang basa dito ay wang. Wang. Yeah, wang means king. So, again, who created the Hangul? It is King Sejong, which is Sejong Daewang. Next one. Another example using this pattern. So, let's try to find out. So, how can we read this one? Hebushosaya? Did you Okay. So, again, when iyang is sa pag nasa initial sa, no sounds. And this one is a double vowel, wo. Wo입니다. Pag siniyan ay nasa dulo, it reads as N sounds. So, anong basa dito? It reads as won. Won. Won is the peso. Like, if we have peso in the Philippines, they have won in Korea. So, kirasumita. So, wow, that is the second pattern. So, let's try to find out. How can we write in Korean the sounds wall or the word wall? Since ang sounds na wo is a vowel, again, ano yung munang isusulat natin before writing a double vowel wo? Very good. Good job. So, it is iyang. Pag si iyang, pag si iyang ay nasa unahan, no sound siya. Kaya, when it comes to speaking, pag ang unang word is a vowel, so we write the wo, the iyang, and then wo, and then real. Why real? Kasi pag si real ay nasa hulihan, it reads as L sounds. So, ang basa dito ay wall. Wall means month. Kirasumita. Let's recap all the double vowels, yung mga vowels na ginamit natin for today. Repeat after me. Tara haseyo. Set, set, net, net, tek, tek, wang, wang, won, won, wol, wol. Krasumida, very good. You did a good job, everyone, today. So we finished the writing pattern using the combination vowel. Again, reminder, it is a per syllabication pattern, okay? Every time you pronounce a word, it is per syllabication, so per pattern imita. So again, thank you so much for today, and we are going to tackle another topic next class. So again, please follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. So thank you so much. Again, I am Carla Sem, and bye-bye. 감사합니다.